Yes, mister.
You will help me explain this question, okay?
Okay.
According to the text, what is true about the mother? Answer choice A. She wishes that more ladies would visit her. What makes it incorrect?
In the first sentence, he said the mother did not spend all her time in paying dull visits to dull ladies and sitting dully at home waiting for dull ladies to pay visits to her.
See, guys, she describes the ladies as dull, the visits as dull. Dull visits, dull ladies. Well, so answer choice A contradicts the text. So what is the mistake in answer choice A? Wishes more ladies would visit her. That contradicts the text. So we write it contradicts the text. The opposite is correct. So A is wrong. Well, what makes B wrong?
He didn't mention that birthdays are her favorite occasion. He just said that she always made up funny pieces of poetry for her children in birthday.
Well, the word birthday is mentioned, or birthdays is mentioned, but what is not mentioned, as you stated, that birthdays are her favorite. Well, so guys, if I say that John is a good student, does it equal John is the best student? The answer
No,
is big no. He is just good, maybe along with the 30 other students. So describing him as God does not mean that he is the best at all. Here we stated that we have the word birthdays, but birthdays are her favorite special occasion, not mentioned in M. Reading to her children is her favorite activity, Khalid. What's so wrong about
no.
it?
I say the choice is totally false,
For what
incorrect.
reason? I can't
He
support
he
like she read them aloud after tea.
he did not mention in the text.
But here we have beside this, she used to write stories for them while they were at school and read them aloud after tea. She
He
read
didn't
them aloud
mention
after
that
tea.
it is her favorite activity.
Excellent. So if I say I read novels, it does not mean that reading novels is my favorite activity. It means that this is one of the things I usually do, but there is not the best thing for me, or it is not my favorite activity. So here, guys, the word favorite is totally wrong. So we get rid of D as well. See how the College Board test makers provide trap choices? You will do like that. Oh, you remember seeing the word read to her children, so answer choice D is correct. Yes, it is stated, but it is not stated that this is her favorite activity. Okay, so cancel. Answer choice C. Who can explain what makes C correct? Thank you so much, Khalid. I really appreciate that. Well, Ruba Ahmed, go ahead.
So it's stated here that she always made up funny pieces of poetry for their birthdays. So that's why it's correct.
funny pieces of poetry that supports the second part only. She made pieces
Here
of
it says,
poetry
besides
supporting
this, she used to write stories for them while they are at school. This supports the
100%.
first part.
Yes. So you must state it like that. Here I have two parts. She creates stories. She creates poems. Here we have write stories. So that supports she creates stories. And there we have made poetry. It equals write poems, supports the second part. That makes it correct. This is reading. You know what, guys?